Hey everyone, so I'm here with my cousin Chantel. You guys probably remember her from a few vlogs ago. We went to Rib Fest for Canada Day. Anyways, today is... what is today? Monday? Tuesday, yeah. Monday. Yeah. So today's Monday and we're going to the beach with her older sister and her boyfriend. And I'm not too sure which beaches we're going to, but we're going to be doing some beach hopping, so I will take you guys along with me. Alright, so we're now at Rawacou Beach, or pond I should say. And it's pretty nice. I think it's really nice here. You can see the water. And Chantel's sister was telling me that it's a man-made pond. Yeah. But we're not too sure who built it or whatever. So we finally made it to the pond. And there's like a little road here to follow. So here's the little road. And here's the man-made pond. And you guys can see the water's really rough on the outside. A bit of water coming in through the rocks there. Yeah. It's nice. So you guys can see my cousin Chantel. You can see how shallow it is. And she's almost like all the way in. It's up to her knees. It's really shallow. So what islands are in the background? That one right straight ahead, or the two straight ahead?
Batoye and Baliso, and across from there is Mustique, right there.
Oh, right there.
Yeah, the faded
right
one.
There. Yeah, right there.
Batoye and Baliso, Mustique, and then there's Beckway right there, the biggest one you see close up. That's Beckway. And if you look a little closer in the back a bit, you would see kind of one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep, it's a kind of one a little bit, right behind Beckway.
Huh. So those are the little islands.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling.
Alright, so we're by the international airport. It's right over there. Hopefully it'll be done soon. Yep, so that's what that looks like. I'm not sure. What is this thing over here?
This spot?
Yeah.
Not too sure what that building is.
Oh.
That's the tower, signal tower. Up there. I know they're gonna have a fire station somewhere, but I don't.
Oh, okay.
I don't think that's the fire station.
No, that's probably not it. That's what that looks like. The runway. Long strip. Alright, so we're currently at Black Point. We're almost there. It's like a cave, or I should say a tunnel. So over here, there's a sign right there. You can't really see it, but it says to the tunnel. And everyone's in front of me. Chantel, friend, family friend, and then my cousin and her boyfriend. A really long day today. A really awesome day. The view is amazing. So many, I haven't been this far ever. I think it was about an hour and a half drive, but you can see so much within the hour. So let me give you guys a little bit of a view quickly. So we're going into the cave. Let's see.
The light to the end of the tunnel.
Yep. 360 feet.
Walking through the tunnel. Come through the tunnel.
I think that's why she never came.
Yeah, she never came.
Because she was too scared.
So, like,
I don't know what's in there. Some water coming in. Ah. So we finally made it out of the tunnel, which is back there.
It was scary.
Yep. Tons and tons of roaches.
Yep.
And my cousins are going further.
Dead end.
No access beyond this point.
So let me show you guys the view.
Dead end. Cut off point. Oh, he probably taking a photo.
So someone is living up there. You can see, hold on, you can see his leg moving. If I can zoom in. Oh.
Look at where he
But like right there, his leg is right there.
How does he manage to climb from there all down here?
I have no idea.
It's so steep and slippery.
Huh. Yep, someone lives up there. You can see he dries his clothes up there. And then he's lying down right there. Crazy, living right by the water. Going in. Finally made it out of the tunnel. I had to get a piggyback ride from my cousin's boyfriend because there's way too many roaches.
That was so scary.
There's like hundreds of them. Big ones like this. Just running out of the walls. So, I'm alive. But
I was the first one out.
I know. But then you like stopped and started screaming.
Yeah. Panic.
Oh my gosh. It's too much. Too many roaches for me. I didn't mind the small ones. The small ones were okay, but the really big ones.
When you saw those big ones, it's like,
Oh my
okay,
gosh. There's too many. Yeah. I ran out the cage. I mean, not cage. I ran out the cave the first time, and then I had to go back in. And then there was bats, which weren't too bad because they fly pretty high. But the roaches, that was too much. Everyone, so I'm currently at the Botanical Gardens with Chantal and her sister and her boyfriend are further ahead. So let me just give you guys a quick overview of what everything looks like. Yeah, it's a really nice place to take pictures for weddings and yeah, engagement photos.
They spoke already. I don't know if you get them.
A couple of times.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
A little tadpole. Oh no.
There's one inside that one as well.
Oh yeah, another one over there.
Oh, it's the boot wrong there.
Alright, so I'm at the Volcano and today is Wednesday. I'm here with a bunch of my family members. It's a family reunion, so yeah, the volcano is in front of me.
We're getting a picture.
Oh, hi.
Go around.
So that's the volcano in front of me. And you can't even see all of it because the clouds are covering it, but it's a lot higher. And it's about a 2-hour walk, so we'll see how that goes. Halfway there.
Hey!
My cousin Zaisha. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating so much. It's like just water and it's raining, I think. So tired. And you can see all that fog right there. You probably can't even tell it's fog, but it's fog.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.